I get that these vlogs are gonna get pretty repetitive. Yes, I'm aware that's part of the practice. Plus, I'm sharing my life too. This is part of my routine. Like I said, the goal is not for the views, not to be famous. It is to report to whoever is interested in watching and seeing these vlogs. Hi. My greenline project interest is really in the tunnels. My hope is to integrate the boring company to drill the tunnels in the downtown core in Calgary. I don't have like a tunnel boring experience, but I have a desire on completing like the project. So hopefully that's enough to get into the project.
4th Street West Station. Doors normally open on the right. This is a westbound train. Destination 69th Street.
This train 69th Street.
I'm downtown. I got a doctor's appointment for my mental health and probably get a shot, and then I gotta go do MacBook repairs after this. So we'll see you in a bit. So it's just to prevent me from doing stupid stuff again, which is kind of good. And I got asked, why do I YouTube? I didn't know what to say. Basically just said it's just documenting part of my life and sharing it to the people that who cares about seeing it and watching it. Hopefully there are those people. I guess that's part of my challenge, is to figure out what really is this channel about and why am I daily vlogging? Why am I doing this? Just, I personally don't know why, so we'll see where this goes. On to Chinook Center now to get the MacBook repaired. The touch bar and the shift key is stuck. The touch bar is not working, so gotta get that fixed for the kid. I'll be the first to admit that I don't know what I'm doing about these vlogging thing too. So I don't know. Maybe I'll get lucky, that's why I'm doing it. But I'm quite serious on getting a job at the Greenline project, so hopefully, or I'm staying focused in there for now. Getting the MacBook repaired. Took 15 minutes to check in the iPod or the MacBook, and it will probably take 2 weeks to get it repaired because they have to order parts. That's all good. See you then. On the way home now. I just gotta cross this road and then catch the train on the other side from McKnight, and I'm on my way home to see the kids. I got asked if I got remorse for what I did. I think we all make good and bad decisions. I still feel that all my decisions are gonna lead up to something. They're probably not the greatest decisions, but they might lead to something good. I hope they will. I feel they do. I also feel there's a lot of similarities about the tunneling on the Greenline project and the and the oil and gas projects that I worked on. There's the SAGD project, there's the twin tunnels or twin drilling thing there that goes 90 degrees. There's just a thing, the similar concept, it's just the tunnels are bigger and the boring is bigger but just shallower. So I think it's just the same concept, just a little bit different but almost the same in a lot of ways. I'm home now. The transit's actually pretty good. Like, I made it from Chinook Center to home in about 1 hour. That's about 2 trains and a bus transfer. So 3 transfers. So that's not bad at all. It's just the weather. So if there's any remorse, I guess it's just the convenience of the grocery shopping with my mom and picking up my mom at the transit station. That's probably the biggest thing. But hopefully those decisions are gonna pay off one day, and hopefully I could pay my mom back something. That's the most important part. Alright, see you in the vlog tomorrow. Bye for now.